In this video, we'll be visiting the Taylortown Train Show in Taylor, Michigan, just about 20 miles southwest of Detroit. Michigan has a history of manufacturing trains and track for Lionel, so it wasn't surprising to come upon table after table of some really cool O-gauge finds. All the vendors were incredibly kind and helpful too, and all the ones I bought from threw in cool free bonus stuff, like this 1989 Lionel G-Scale catalog. I can't even imagine what this railscope video camera system cost back then, or how complicated it was compared to a modern GoPro. Also, I had no idea that there was once a Lionel board game. Crazy. In the past, I've bought a lot of used trains from former Michigan Lionel employees, so I bet a lot of people at this train show may have had a relationship to the company as well. Many of the vendors were also selling old Tyco HO scale trains from the 1980s. And a lot of collectors were actually buying them too. I was most interested in finding an American Flyer S-gauge set, and lucky me, I found a very nice gentleman selling one in the first 10 minutes of the show. Really love this post-breakfast cereal car. I haven't tested the set yet or done much research on it, but I believe it was made by A.C. Gilbert in 1961. If anyone has more info on it, please let me know in the comments. Anyone looking for an HO scale NASCAR Easy Track set? I also got this trestle set for my tubular track, and this sweet shirt I'll be rocking to the club later, the Train Club. While some vendors were selling sealed magazines for $15 each, some were selling books like this 1949 instruction manual for only $3, which for a nerd like me was pretty exciting. Between the great selection of used trains and friendly people, I'll definitely be back at the Taylortown Trade Center for train shows in the future. Thank you to everyone who made the show possible, and hope you enjoyed watching.